Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Hadidi Makeovers. So for today we are going to be tying another EID turban tutorial. So if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're joining us here for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also comment. And so starting off, you're going to be mixing a lace material with raw silk, guys. Raw silk, the Dupion raw silk, the one I told you is available at the studio. If you want one, you can come place your order via Instagram. You just send me a DM and then you get it delivered to you wherever you are. So starting off, I'm going to be placing the turban from the back of her head, and it's a 50-50 part turban. It's equal part. I'm going to be pleating the side like 5 pleats, and then pleating the other side also 5 pleats. Then I'll be placing the other one behind her head. So as you guys can see, there's a cap on her head. We did that just to add more volume to her head. So then I'm going to flip okay, there is a black turban behind her on her head, just to add more volume to the hair tie. That is why. So after pleating the one side of the turban, I'm going to be placing when I'm placing it on her head, I'm going to be placing it behind her ears, just to give me the V-shaped turban I wanted at first. Then I'm going to pleat the other hand and place it on top of this one, each going on opposite side, like each handle going to the opposite side. So I hope you guys are understanding. So I'm going to carry the last pleat and then make sure I use a pin to secure that. So guys, I hope you guys are enjoying the EID series turban tutorial. Actually, I was not supposed to post a makeup the last post I posted was a makeup tutorial. Some of you were insisting on still having the makeup tutorial done, so I made sure I post one. I'll be posting one makeup tutorial every week, and then 2 turban styles. I don't know if this is going to last until after Eid, but let's see what happens. So let's get back to the video. After I'm done, I'm going to be after securing the turban with a pin, I'm going to bring it down and then making sure it's very tight. So I'm going to be bringing out the handle of the turban, making sure it's very tight. Then I'm going to carry the hair tie of her lace material, and then folding it in a straight line, just to folding it, like making sure everything is secured, and then place it on her head, and then go in a V-shaped again. I'll just tuck that in simply. It's just to tuck it in. Don't worry about the head looking a little bit big. We are going to press that down. We are going to make sure we tie that down depending on how comfortable you are. You know, we already used a cap under her head, so if you want yours to be a little bit smaller, you can just get rid of the cap and then tie it like that from the raw silk, then the lace. But she has over 3 things on her head now, and yeah. So I'm going to be pulling the rest of the raw silk up and then twisting the handle. After twisting, don't worry, I'm going to show you how the back of the hair tie looks like. I'm going to be twisting that and then tuck it in. If you like, you can use a pin to secure that. If you like, you can just leave it like that. It doesn't matter. So yeah, that is how it is, guys. So this is the end of the turban. If you do enjoy this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share. This is Hadidi Makeovers. Once again, I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.